Hi everybody, this is David with Ergotron. Today we're going to talk about comfortable view. Many of our customers, they love working with our sit-to-stand products, and they also like using multiple monitors to help get their work up in front of their eyes. But if the monitors are way too close or they're not angled in the right place, it puts a strain on your eyes. Now, we love monitor arms, and we use those monitor arms for many of our clients' different situations, but when it comes to a sit-stand desk, we did you one better. We've created a monitor riser, which is a really stable, fixed column that allows the monitors to lift and go down and also tilt when you're seated, but also when you rise up. Now, typically when you are standing at a desk, you'll often find that the monitors just need to go a little bit higher. You always want to make sure that they're about an arm's length from your face. That's the perfect distance to make sure that your eyes are comfortable and that you're actually seeing the screen in a great ergonomic position. Now, let's see how our competitors do. Okay, so we brought in one of our top competitors, their sit-to-stand desktop converter using monitor arms. And so you can, what we see in this is it's problematic because you see the arms that are sticking out behind the desktop converter and the desk. And so that's problematic in a cubicle work environment. If there's a wall there, even if it's a walkway and people are walking by, it's a risk that many managers don't want to take. The other problem is, remember how I mentioned it should be about an arm's length? This one isn't, and as you try to push it back, it even pushes it further back into. So those are some challenges that we saw that we wanted to rectify with our riser. When you bring this up, again, trying to look at an arm's length, it's a little bit tough, and then adjusting it, we found, just like it is here, we found it's a little bit hard to adjust two monitors independently. So there are some limitations. WorkFit, it is the right choice.